Hi, welcome to Kelo TV, where we guide and we teach how to create a website, how to create a game, and also how to create an app. Not only to create, but also to make money out of it, to show you how to monetize your app, your game, your application. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So today's video is about weather forecast app, where I'm going to show you the screenshot of my phone. Why I'm doing that, so that you have an idea of what we are going to learn or what we are going to build. So as you can see, this is the screenshot of my app, the screenshot of my phone. So this is how the app looks like. You can see just simple design. uh, Once you install this and you click on it, automatically it's going to open up your location, because it has information location. Once you click on yes allow, it's automatically going to pick your location. So that is how it works. And if you also want to know how weather is from other cities, other countries, you can also write the name of the country or the city which you want to check, and it's going to search for the weather for the particular place where you wrote the name. So as you can see, I put India. Now I want to put let's check America. So it's going to, you see, this is what it gives: Americana, Brazil. So you need to specify exactly where you want to check the weather. And one good thing about this app, anytime any country you click is going to show you the timing of that country. So it also read, as you can see, it shows local time. You can see I put Argentina, and you can see the timing, and you can see all the details. So that is the idea of the app. And now let me take you to Google Play Store, where you're going to see how people have been creating this app and how much they are. We're going to calculate how much you think they are getting from this app. So let me open one of this app and let's check together how many users, how many downloaders. So here you can see 1 million downloads. So imagine people download this app 1 million, and you have maybe have 1 million that is active users, because not that the download means all everybody are active on the app. So let's say have 1 million is there on the app. So this is the example of the app. So the same with this our design, we can customize this to look the same thing with all this. So we can take our time. Let me open another one. So that particular one, I said let's see the example while this one open. This one is 5 million. So now let's calculate it together on AdMob calculation page. Here you can see region. So you're going to select where you are, or you can analyze it basically to be to your specific region. So for me, I'll select Europe, Middle East, and Africa. And here I select the Android, because it's Android phone. Okay, so our app is Android. Okay, so here we'll see category. So our app is forecast app, weather forecast app. So I think the category should fall under, okay, let's see, maybe I leave it under news somehow. So let's just go with that. So for you, you can make sure you put the right thing. So here we go calculate. So here, this is 50,000 users. So we're talking about 50,000 users. If you're in this region, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, and you have app, and you have this total number of people on your app, this is the amount monthly active users, just people coming in, going, and at the end of the month, if you're able to have 50,000 people that open your app in a month. So this is the estimate of what you're going to make. You'll be making $1,539. So now this is how it works. Now let's increase the numbers of the of the people. Imagine like the first app which I said, uh, that has 1 million. So now let's say you have only active users 500. Let's see, only 500, only 5, yes, only 500 example. So you'll be making $15,000. So I'm giving you example of the other app. So this one is 5 million. Now let's go and calculate 5 million. Let's say only 3 active users. Let's say 2 million are not active. So here you can see 3 million, example 3 million. So this is the example. So you'll be making 92,000 $92,629. So this is how it is. So you have to start it now before it's too late. You may not even know when you're going to reach this total number of downloads. So that is how to get started. Okay, so the next step here, I'm going to show you, this is the the prompt which I use ChatGPT to generate, that was able to make us to have an idea of the app here. So here I copy this prompt and I head to DeepSeek. So DeepSeek did all the work for me. And as I said, I'm going to give this code on my WhatsApp group, so you need to join. So after uh, DeepSeek gives me this code, this is the the preview of the app. So as you can see, it's just simple. Once you click on here and you write any country's name and you click search, it's going to open up below here, or you click only this icon, it will automatically pick any location. So it picked London, United Kingdom, and as you can see, local time, this is you can say this is 11 o'clock a.m. Okay, so here you can see this is how it works. So here on this, with this code, if I give you, you need to come and change this API key. So with this code, without API key, this one will not work. So you need to come to this website after I give you this code. Here you go and you create an account and you get the automatically API key will be given to you here. Once you see the API key here, don't copy it. What you need to do, just go down here and you click on where it says generate API key. Click on tick this accept, agree to above, and could like to generate API key. So once you accept, to click on generate key, and this particular key will be active. It will also show you live like this. So this moment you're good to copy this code on your own account and replace this particular code with the one I'm going to give you inside this code. That's the only thing you're going to do. Only open your API key from this website and head back to the code I will give you, and scroll down, check where it says API key configuration with your provided key, and here you see API key. So only the numbers, don't change the IPN here, only the numbers that you can see 8099, and this the end you can see 708. So you only copy your own API key to replace this, because why I'm telling you this, you can create an app with my own API key. The API key is a secret code, so that should not be given to anyone. Once you open your own account, you should be able to keep it secret. Don't share your API key with anyone. Okay, so that is how it works. So now the next step, we're going to GitHub, where we're going to host this code. Okay, so after we host it here, we'll be coming to have creator to create our app. So here we go. You click on, once you open an account with GitHub website, you're going to get a page like this, and you'll be able to see where it says new button here. So here you click create new, you click on new, it's going to open up for us to So while this is happening, let me go and copy our entire code from DeepSeek. So here we copy the code and we head back to, okay, so it's still opening. Let's wait. Well, okay, so it has opened. So here let me put whether, so whether weather app, something like that, and we go out here and we create. Okay, so here is going to open for us. So it has opened. Here we go. There's two methods to upload file here, so but the one I'm going to show you is not a long process. You just go here and click create a new file. Once you click on a create a new file, it's going to open up, and here you're going to write index like this, index dot html like this, and you go down here where it says enter file content here. So here we're going to paste the code which we copied from DeepSeek. So as I said, don't forget, if I'm giving you this code, the only change you have to do is just scroll. As I'm scrolling gently, you go to the configuration API key, where you see my own API key. So that is, I want to show you again the configuration. Yes, so here you can see API key configuration with your provided key. So here you just copy this, remove this API key like this. As you can see I'm doing, you just remove it and put your own code here. So that is how it works. Once you finish, you click on save changes and commit changes as well. So here is going to accept our, okay, not yet, okay, okay, it is when it happens like this, you need to, yes, refresh and go back to make sure your code file, it is saved. Okay, here I go to click on edit. I want to make sure I save it. Okay, so here you can see I, okay, so here you can see I can still uh, put my code again, and I want to make sure it's saved. Okay, okay, it has been saved. Okay, so here you can see the file has been saved. So now what next? We go back. No, wait, sorry, we need to go to settings. From these settings, you go to pages down here by this side, and here we're going to make sure it's on default, deploy from a branch. This is where you leave it, and here we put it on main, select main, and here leave it on root, and here we save changes. So once this change is saved, now we need to wait for some minutes. We'll refresh and we will see our live URL site here. Let's wait. I refresh again. Okay, let's wait again. I refresh just for some few minutes, one minute or some seconds. You see that our API, our website will be live from here. So let's wait and see. So as you can see, it has, after several refreshing, it is active now. You click on the site. Let's visit the site and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like, the same design. And here, if you click here, you should be able to pick our automatic location. Yes, we need to allow location, and it's going to, as you can see, is opening our, yes, as you can see, it has shows my location without telling the app that this is where I am. Automatically it picked my location. So that is how it works. Now the next step, we need to create the app bundle, that is the APK file. So what you need to do, copy the URL of the site which we host on this website. This is the URL, and which is the one we open here. You copy it here and you go to App Creator 24. Here you go and you click, you open an account on App Creator 24 and you go to create app, and here we go. We need to as it's opening here, we'll put our app name, where the sorry let me okay, where the web app, where the web app, okay, like this, and then web, web app. So here we go, we select the app icon, create your own app icon, and here I select the icon. I can select anyone for the sake of tutorial. Okay, so here I put the same thing, but for you, take your time to put a long description. From here, go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that you have weather forecast app. Let it write a short description for you. So here you put the description, and here we go to next, and here doesn't matter, you select, because you can change all this later. So here you click on create an empty app. Here we go to manager, and the next step is copy your URL as I said earlier. So here we go and you come to section, where you see the section here, and here you click on create section, and here, since we have a URL, we come in here with a web app. Okay, so here this is the one we're going to use, web app, not direct code. With this code, I try to use direct code to use HTML directly, so it's not working. So that is why I come with the idea for you to use host your code here, and copy the website, and then host your website with URL from app creator 24. Now our web app is created. As you can see, my app here doesn't have let me show you. As you can see, it doesn't have app title header here, so you need to customize that by coming in here to design, and here you can see menu type. Okay, so here you click without menu, so here you click save changes. Now your app would not be having some title over here, so that is why you see this one doesn't have title, just purely interface of the design of the app. That's the same thing with this weather forecast. Don't forget, you can change everything from there. Let me show you how you can do that. If you have this code, I'm going to show you. Once I drop it, make sure if you want to do this app, you follow the step by step as how I guided. Okay, so here weather app, so here this one. So you go to your file. From here, I'm going to show you how you can change this name, because you can put other things, maybe weather whatsoever, because if you see from here, not all the weather forecasts are the same name. Here you can see what they wrote, weather live, and weather forecast. So this is how you can see all the names are different. As you can see, weather forecast, live weather, and you can see. So make sure you change your own. From here with the code, you can head to here. This is where you can change the name. Just check gently and you're going to see this. So this is where you're going to change your own name and save it. So once you save it, this name, will be changed. So that is how to customize. Okay, so after done with the creation, now you go to next section where we're going to make money with our app by coming in here, general info, and you go to name an icon, and here you come in here and open an account with AdMob, and you click. Once your app is approved by AdMob, then you'll be able to link your app app with AdMob. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to see a create app button. You click there and you put the name of the app, and you'll be allowed to create the different types of banner for the ads. So here you copy app ID, because once you create, you're going to see two code. So the first one is called app ID. So this is where you put the app ID and you click on save changes. Okay, so once done with this, you go to ads. So here, this is where you're going to create all the banner type for the app. So you will see a banner like this. Click on banner from AdMob and you create the banner. Name the banner as well. Then copy. You're going to see two code: the app ID and the banner ID. So you copy the banner ID and you come in here to put for the banner, and you go back to here. You click create a new one. You create for another type. You're going to see this as well, so you need to also copy and create for this, and come in here, copy the unity at id and you put it here. So that is how you're going to do for all. After finished, after done with all, you click on save changes. So once that done, the next step is for you to come to download app and download your app and upload. If you have a Google Play console, you upload your app here. If you don't have, make sure you go to recommended app store by AdMob. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it down, and we'll be here always to guide and help. Thank you so much, and bye for now.